So we're gonna do today, as you can tell by the title, make another rug. Yes, this is episode number 2 of Rug Diaries. We are actually going to finish the draft I have put up. So when we get in the next room, you're gonna see my tarp up already. I already have 2 rugs completed. And then I'm actually gonna add 2 more rugs. So I don't really know what rugs I want to do actually. Last year I was making a lot of rugs. I sold quite a few of them, but I kept a few of them for myself as well. And I was just getting custom orders, but I started doing other stuff, so I actually got distracted. But I'm actually back on my grind, and y'all finna come on this journey with me, and I'm actually here to help y'all out while I'm going back on my rug making journeys. Right now, y'all, I'm in my room trying to decide what I want to do for my other 2 rugs. I thought I knew what I wanted to do, but I started looking at some other stuff that might be way liver. This is a hard decision. Usually I do take custom orders. Like I have a Google Docs form that I'll take orders from, but it's like right now I'm just getting back into it. So like I'm just trying to make whatever I think is hard. All right, y'all, so the designs I chose for my rugs, it took me a little minute. I ain't gonna lie, I've been going back and forth in my head, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this Chrome Hearts Baby Milo, because I've never seen it done on a rug. I've seen it done on an epoxy table, and I'm like, oh my god, that's so live. I gotta do it on a rug. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this Rolling Stones tongue. Very live. It's live to me. I was gonna do the UK version, but I decided to go with the US version just because I might sell it. Still believe someday you and me. Hey, shut up, I'm recording. Y'all, I ended up doing 3, and this is the 3rd one. Finally, 10 years later, I have all 3 of them drawn out. Yes. Wonderful. Look at the cheetah print. The cheetah print is going to eat down. I might want to keep that one for myself, not gonna lie. Honestly, I don't feel like winding all these yarn balls up. I don't feel like winding all these cakes up, but I have to do it because I need all those colors. Let's go ahead and just get these colors knocked out. It's gonna take like 10 more hours. So if you want to make $1,000 in 1 month just off selling rugs, you need to actually know what's trendy right now. So you need to go on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever that you know is going to be trendy to get your ideas. So you can't just do what you think. If you like Naruto, the whole world don't like Naruto, so you can't just do Naruto rugs and think that's going to just sell. You have to know what's trendy. Me personally, I know fashion, so I know what people like. So I know automatically what's gonna sell, especially in my area, because I know people like in my area, the city I'm from. I know what people like, and so I do local drop-offs, and I do ship also as well. So like you can mix trendy along with what you think people in your area want. My main place I got to sell from was Instagram. Like my local Instagram, you just follow local people, or you already have local people following your page, or you just have a main page and then a rug page, and you shout that out from your main page, and then you get all your sales from that page, the rug page that you shouted out. And then you could do a raffle or something. You can get other people to actually want to get your rugs because it's a local person that's, oh my god, they're making rugs in your city. Like, yes. And then if you don't do it for too high of a price, they'll definitely shop. Most of the people that buy rugs from me, they're buying it for someone else most of the time, like as a gift. Your pricing strategy has to be on point, because if you're selling locally, you know local people in your city. If you stay in a small city, then they're not gonna pay $250 for a rug. Let's just be honest. Like, unless you're in them uppity neighborhoods where people just like, oh yeah, I'll charge what I'll pay for whatever artwork, then you can go ahead and do that. But me personally, the city I'm from, I know people, and they're not about to actually pay that much for that. So generally, since I'm making 5 rugs on this little canvas, it's not a little canvas, it's like a 5 foot tall, but I'm getting 5 rugs out of this, so generally it's like 30, 35, around that, 35 to 40, no more than 40 basically. So I just go with 40 and pretend like 40 is the, plus the time and stuff. So like I just generally go with 40, that's the amount that I am actually putting into these rugs. And then so profit, I would actually like to add like $50 to that. That's not much, but it's not that little either. So like $50 actually is a lot. So 50 plus 40 is 90. So basically don't do nothing less than 70 to lowball yourself. Like I wouldn't sell no rug no for lower than 70. Like 70 should be the sell price. That's why I see a lot of people selling rugs for like 100 plus. So generally it depends on the size of the rug. That's how I go based off how much I'm gonna sell it for. I'll just give y'all more tips throughout while I'm doing the rugs. Okay, y'all, I've been putting in that work. All I have to do is the white stars and then the blue background. I've been working, yes, and y'all probably want to see the back of this one. It's untrimmed, uncut, mind you, but I'm finna show y'all. Okay, here's how it looks. It don't even look that bad. Like some designs, if it's not very intricate, it'll just look fine without the shaving part. But if you're trying to make 1,000 in 30 days from just selling rugs, then you actually need to manage your time correctly. Like you can't just be working on one rug for 4 hours straight. Like me personally, it'll take me like one rug, maybe like 2 hours. I feel like doing multiple rugs at once really helps you with your time skills and time management, because you can get multiple done way faster than if you would have to do one at a time, like on a small board. So it's best to have, me personally, my board goes all the way up to like 7 foot long and 5 foot tall. So me personally, I can get like a bunch. Well, I have it like trimmed off. I have a section trimmed off right now. I think the longest one I have right now is 3 foot long. But like if you have multiple ones and they are like smaller, you will get more money from the time, more money from the time that you're putting into it. And if you want orders fast, it's best to post your old work and post that you're taking custom orders, because those orders will just start coming in. You never know who will need a rug. Just post it every day. Just put it in their face every day so you can actually get that money as fast as you can. And to make more money, you can add like hooks to the back of them so people can hang it up on their walls. You can do package deals like buy one, get one, 50% off. You can do like holiday deals like, Valentine's Day. Buy one for your boo, it'll be only $60. Like, just throw in little deals. You can't just keep it boring and think your stuff is just gonna sell. Like, you gotta mix it up some. So always keep that in mind. But you also want the quality. So the quality is very important. You don't want a rug that's just looking thin. It's like untrimmed. It's like, what is that? You can't even tell what design that is. You don't want that. You don't want your customers to be like sitting there thinking, I wonder what that actually is. No, you want your designs crisp and clean. But that's enough tips for right now. So I'm gonna get back into doing this and then show y'all when I'm done. Here's the final product of this one. I did not end up doing all the stars. I couldn't, but I'm gonna trim these into a star shape so they look better. All right, y'all, I finally finished with all of them. I finally finished with all the rugs. Here's the first one, that one. I don't know, that one might be a little, I don't know. This one, this one. This is the back side. This one. Of course it's not trimmed, so I'm not gonna look that clean. This one, I ain't gonna lie, this one just might be my favorite. This one I just finished. This is I Heart to Make Boys Cry. And then we have this one. And then this one, yeah. Christmas in like in 3 days, but shoot, I'm still gonna post it to see what's up with it. Okay, I have my green goblin gloves on, and I have this gigantic bucket I can't even lift up. Okay, I can only lift it up this time because it's something took it out of here. But y'all know what time it is. Make sure y'all open y'all windows, open y'all air vents, open y'all circulators, turn them on, twist the knob all the way to high. Because it's about to get real loud in here. Like, I'm such a pro. Ooh, this smells strong. Let's go hurry up and glue this. And it gets to scraping. Make sure it's all flat, even. You don't want no glue chunks. You want it evenly spread out. So I gotta get this. I should have put it on here from the jump, honestly. Just finished gluing all of them. Now it's time to wait for them to dry. It's about 24 to 48 hours. Put the backing on them, then carve them. Then we done. It's time to cut, glue, trim, carve, all that. Let's go ahead and cut these. This is the adhesive spray I use. And I also use a hot glue gun, Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, to glue on my backing. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and glue on my backing with spray the backside with adhesive spray, glue the edges, and then I'm gonna show y'all the trimming process. cutesy. It looks backwards on camera, but yeah. Is there glue on my arm, y'all? Oh. Right now, I'm actually about to go around this whole perimeter and fold in this part, the white tart part. And then I'm gonna show y'all the gluing. I'm gonna show y'all the gluing and then the adhesive spray part after that. Bags. Now I'm about to actually get my hot glue gun and glue on the edges and then trim it to the even shape. Basically, you're just going in between the colors and you're separating it with the scissors so it's a clean shape instead of just all over the place like this. So okay guys, this was the final product. I'm gonna insert some more videos. But yes, I think I ate. The carving could be a little better, but honestly, I'm done here. My work here is done.